Hey guys, it's Mrs. LeMay and welcome back for another Phonics and More video. I'm excited to get started with you guys. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, our sentence for today is Tommy was so hungry that he blank 3 sandwiches for lunch. Okay, big word, we've never seen it before. It has a long vowel silent E syllable pattern inside of it. Okay, so you will need a whiteboard marker and eraser. Go, pause the video if you need to. Okay, you should have a whiteboard marker and eraser, and I need you to write the word on your board. I will spell it out for you if you need me to. B-O-N-F-U-M-E-D. Okay, make sure you have your word spelled correctly. Mark your vowels, divide your word, go for it. Hey, your word should look something like this. Okay, let's look at our first syllable. It is closed, bon. Okay, let's look at our second syllable. Vowel, consonant E. Remember, that's how we show. That's vowel, consonant E. We do not hear this guy, okay? And this guy says his name, U. F-U-M-D, fumed, okay? So what's our whole word? Bon fumed, bon fumed. Okay, so now that we know how to pronounce our word, let's go back and look at our sentence. Tommy was so hungry that he bon fumed 3 sandwiches for lunch. Okay, now I would like you to think in your head, what do you think bon fumed means? And go ahead and write a word on your board that you think is a synonym, the same as bon fumed. Go for it. Okay, I wrote 8. Okay, go ahead and share what you wrote with somebody sitting next to you. Now remember, it doesn't have to be the exact same word, but it should be something along those lines. Now, if you are really good with words, you might have noticed that I actually got bon fumed, the idea for bon fumed, from consumed, which is actually the original word that was in the sentence. And consumed means ate. So you might have noticed that. And if you did, congratulations. You can do a little silent dance in your seat because you're awesome. All right, let's keep going. Okay, our fluency practice. Please read this 2 times to somebody sitting next to you. They're going to read it 2 times to you. Make sure your partner has good fluency and good expression. Pause the video. All right, our new vocab word. So we still have trans, we still have con and com, but our new one is chron, which means time. Okay, and we didn't really talk about what our hand signal would be to go with our picture. Tick, 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 chron means time. Tick, 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 chron means time. I would like you to do that to your partner. They're going to do it to you. Go for it. Okay, now I need you to read all 6 of these words, and I know they're a little tricky, but I have faith in you. You can do this. Chronic, chronicle, synchrony, chronology, asynchronous, and chronological. Okay, read these 6 words to somebody sitting next to you. They're going to read their 6 words to you. Pause the video. Okay, and last but not least, don't forget to put your name in for a drawing. I like to give away free stuff. All right, have a super fantastic day, and I'll see you later, guys. Bye.